Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ojaswini. I hope you all are doing great. As the mango season is about to finish, I thought that let's give it a sweet goodbye. And that's why today we will be making mango cake without icing and essence. So without further ado, let's get started. For making the sponge of the cake, here we have 100 grams of plain flour or maida, 50 grams of whole sugar. If you want, you can take powder, 1 cup of fresh mango pulp, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 50 grams salted butter, 40 grams of milk powder, and 100 ml of milk. Firstly, in a bowl, we will sieve plain flour, baking powder and baking soda. Then in another bowl, we will sieve milk powder. Then add sugar and milk to it and mix it well until the sugar dissolves. Beat the butter for around 30 seconds and then add the milk mixture to it. Now again beat it for around 1 minute. Now add the mango pulp to it and beat it until it combines well. Then add the dry flour mixture to it in parts and mix it using spatula by cut and fold method. If you want to add mango essence to the cake, you can add half teaspoon of it at this stage. Add around 1 tablespoon of milk if required to get the desired consistency of the batter. Now instead of mixing this with spatula, beat this mixture for around 30 to 60 seconds to get a smooth batter. Make sure that the batter should be of a porous consistency. I am going to bake this cake in a cooker. That's why I am going to preheat the cooker for 10 minutes on medium flame with the lid on. Here I have greased a regular cooker tin with butter and I have placed butter paper at the bottom. Now pour the batter in the tin. Spread it with spatula with very less pressure if required. Tap the tin only once or twice, not more than that. You can see the beautiful natural color of this batter. Now we will bake this for around 25 minutes on medium flame. We have not used salt, water or sand for baking. It has been around 25 minutes now. See how beautifully the cake has rised. And there is nothing on the knife, that means it is ready. Remove the cake from the tin and let it cool completely. Once it is cooled down, We will cut its layers by using thread, as you can see in the video. I am going to make only 2 layers of it, but if you want you can even make 3, or you can even keep it as it is without cutting. See how beautiful our cake looks from inside. In a pan, take 1/4 cup of milk and add 3/4 cup of fresh mango pulp, 2 teaspoons sugar and 2 tablespoons water to it, and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes on low to medium flame. So for the final decoration, here we have the cake slices, chocolate biscuits, mango mixture which we prepared earlier, sugar syrup made by heating water and sugar only until the sugar dissolves. This is melted chocolate biscuit which I have melted in milk. This is a mixture of 4 tablespoons fresh malai, 4 teaspoons sugar and half teaspoon vanilla essence. This is totally optional. Firstly, apply some malai mixture on the base. Then place a cake slice over it and coat it with a generous amount of sugar syrup. Apply a coat of malai mixture. The thickness of this layer depends upon your liking. It tastes just like whipping cream, only the consistency is different. If you have whipped cream, then apply a thick layer of it instead of this mixture. Then apply mango mixture on it. If you want, you can also put some small mango pieces on top of it. Then place the other layer and do the same procedure. Put a lot of mango mixture on the top of the cake. Take the melted chocolate biscuit in a piping bag and draw circles like this. This decoration is totally optional. Then by using a toothpick, draw lines like this. Make sure that the adjacent lines are drawn in opposite directions. Decorate it further if you want in the way you like. I am making a mango rose on the top of this biscuit. Also, I wanted to mention that I have started an Insta page of Spice and Scissors, the link for which will be in the description box below. So please do follow. And this is how our delicious mango cake made without essence and icing looks like. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below your reviews, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.